Hello friends, today we will see another video of trigonometric functions. So in our earlier videos we saw that 0 to 360 degree is divided into 4 quadrants. First, second, third and fourth. First is between 0 to 90 degrees or 0 to pi by 2 radians. Second is 90 to 180 degrees or pi by 2 to pi radians. Third, 180 to 270 degrees or pi to 3 pi upon 2 radians, and the fourth one between 270 degrees to 360 degrees, that is between 3 pi upon 2 to 2 pi radians. So now we will see in quadrant number 3, that is this, that is between the region pi to 3 pi upon 2. This all region is called quadrant number 3. So in this region, if we will see that the sine function of the angle is given by pi plus theta, because pi means 180 degrees and pi plus theta means the angle which is greater than 180 degrees. तो अभी हमने पहले क्या देखा कि पहले क्वाड्रेंट में हम 0 to 90 डिग्रीज को क्वाड्रेंट नंबर 1 बोलते हैं, 90 to 180 डिग्रीज को क्वाड्रेंट 2 बोलते हैं, 180 to 270 यानी पाई टू 3 पाई अपॉन 2 इस रीजन को बोलते हैं क्वाड्रेंट नंबर 3, और क्वाड्रेंट नंबर 4 इज बिटवीन 270 से लेके 360 तक इस रीजन को बोलते हैं क्वाड्रेंट नंबर 4, या 3 पाई अपॉन 2 टू 2 पाई रेडियंस, इस रीजन को बोलते हैं क्वाड्रेंट नंबर 4. तो अभी हम देखेंगे कि क्वाड्रेंट नंबर 3 में जो ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शंस है साइन, कॉस, टेन, वो कैसे रिलेट होते हैं. सो इफ यू सी साइन पाई प्लस थीटा, इट विल बी बिकम माइनस साइन थीटा. सो द मेन थिंग हियर इज दैट थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट, इस थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में जो tan का जो वैल्यू है tan, वो सिर्फ पॉजिटिव रहेगा, यानी इफ tan ऑफ पाई प्लस थीटा it will be remaining only positive. And we know cot is given by, cot theta is given by 1 upon tan theta. It is a reciprocal of tan theta, so that also will remain positive. Rest all of the other trigonometric functions will change their sign. They will remain sine, sine will remain sine, but the sign will change. That is, sin pi plus theta will become minus sin theta, cos of pi plus theta will become minus cos theta, and tan and cot, that is tan pi plus theta will remain tan theta, cot pi plus theta will remain plus cos theta. But the others like sec theta is nothing but the reciprocal of cos theta, so it will be also changing the sign. It will become sec pi plus theta will become sec theta, but the sign will change. It will become minus sec theta. And similarly cosec theta, that is the reciprocal of sin theta, will become minus cosec theta. Means if you will see, only tan theta will have the same positive value, it will remain the same, but the other sin, cosine, cosec, these all will change their signs. So here we have mentioned here as tan, because only tan theta and cot theta will be having the same sign. So this is the peculiar function or peculiar characteristics of the quadrant number 3. Now we will go for quadrant number 4. So here this region is between 3 pi upon 2 to 2 pi radians. Okay, so we can denote this by 2 pi minus theta, because 2 pi means 360 degrees, because pi is 180 degrees. So 2 pi minus theta will be this region. So we have designated this angle as 2 pi minus theta. So if you will see here, only the cos term, cos theta, will remain the same sign. So cos of 2 pi minus theta will remain cos theta. And also we saw that sec theta is given by, sec theta is given by 1 upon cos theta. That is, it is a reciprocal of cos theta. So these two will remain the same sign. Rest all the other trigonometric functions will change sign. So it means what? Sign will be sine 2 pi minus theta will become minus sine theta. Cos 2 pi minus theta will become plus cos theta. It will remain plus because it has all the terms only positive here. The tan will become minus tan. Cot will become minus cot. Sec as we already discussed, it is reciprocal of cos theta. So the sign will remain unchanged, and cosec theta will change the sign. It will become minus cosec theta. So like this we have to remember that ASTC we have to this remember as ASTC. When we are going from anti-clockwise direction from 0 to 360 degree, we have to remember A means all signs positive, S means only sine and cosec positive, T means tan and cot positive, and in last fourth quadrant only cos and sec theta are positive, rest all are negative. So this is the trick by which you can remember regarding all these quadrants, how they are related with each other. Hope you have understood this concept of ASTC, that is as TC, as ticket checker. Like this we can remember it, going from anti-clockwise direction. Hope you have understood this concept. Thank you for paying attention, and like and share the video if you are like the video. Thank you.